This is an open discussion because anyone can intervene at any time. Broadly, we will get into the solution mode. I'll just identify the problems. I had a small poll with Robin, and we thought we should be talking about quality,
Yes.
the immigration issues,
Yeah.
the competition from other places, and of course the India story, which is now dying, or maybe lost its sheen. So Arvind, can we start with what is on top of the mind, which is the immigration? And can I ask somebody to really pitch in? Somebody, Ms. Muthi, who's really into it. Robin, so can we start with that?
Yes, certainly, please.
I just want to take off from the earlier speaker who said, do we talk enough? Do we do enough? That's the issue there.
In fact, I wanted to say something on the concluding remarks of Andy when he talked about that you do stuff, but you do not talk about it. I have a very good friend of mine, a mentor, who tells me that PR is not public relations. PR is performance and reporting. The best form of PR can be you have to perform, but after you perform, do not leave it at that. You should report. So PR, taking off from Andy and your question, it fits in very nicely. I do think about it, but at the same time, yes, in terms of communication and in terms of cross-cultural communications, we do need some capacity building overall, and particularly maybe for the industry and the folks in the industry.
Does the government do enough? We have NASSCOM, we have a lot of bodies, we have a lot of talk, we have supposed to be natural allies with the US, but when it comes to the real brass tacks, things are going to go wrong.
Sure.
I just one, do we intervene at the right time? Talking about lawmaking.
True. Where? In the US?
In the US.
Of course, our industry bodies as well as our government does engage and picks up issues, takes up issues, but perhaps the timings are not appropriate. Oftentimes, it seems that our industry, I'm talking about the industry bodies or the government even, if there are some issues, they pick up those issues quite late in the day. For example, if on immigration, of course, Sheila ji will talk much more on it. The issue is that if any bills are coming up in the US Congress, for us to react, then is too late. India or Indian industry and our, industry, let's say, government even to some extent, should be engaging much more in advance or continuously. It should be sustained. But if I may, there's one more element to this, and which maybe links up to the issue of outsourcing, if I could just mention that. Outsourcing is a word or a concept or a business paradigm which is all around. But the key issue with outsourcing is that it is not an Indian issue. It is an issue for the US industry. The US industry is outsourcing, be it in manufacturing or services, be it from China, Mexico, Ireland, India, Philippines, South Africa. So outsourcing is not our issue per se only. Sure, we are one of the participants in this business model. So therefore, for the Indian industry to go out and argue very loudly in the US that outsourcing is good because it's good for India is perhaps wrong. In fact, it's the US industry which in itself should be articulating and putting this point of view forward, and which it does also, of course. So I think there has to be a nuanced balance herein between what Indian industry and Indian government can do or should do versus what is happening in the US, what are their own paradigms, what are their own issues of competition, jobs in the US. So India has to play that role, but yes, we have to communicate perhaps much better and early on, I would say that.